My name is Kevin, this is my colleague Enrique, and we're your Spider 3D engineers.
We're here at Spider 3D World, where we encourage you to dream, design, discover. Today we're going to be discovering tape. So you just got yourself a new 3D printer and you're trying to figure out how to get those prints to stick to your bed. We're going to show you a few tips and tricks that are going to allow you to get a good adhesion on that bed surface.
In 3D printing, there are two types of tape used. The first type of tape we're going to be discussing today is painter's tape, also known as blue tape. You generally use blue tape when printing with PLA and nylon. The reason for this is blue tape is very porous, allowing the print to stick to the bed very well.
So we're going to show you guys how to apply that tape so you get a good surface to adhere to.
The first thing you're going to want to do is take a little bit of painter's tape and apply it to the desk or table that you're using, and then drag across your build platform, applying with your hand equal pressure along the strip. Once you've reached the other side of the build platform, you're going to leave a little bit of excess, tear it off, and attach it to the desk or table. Start another row again, the same way. You're going to have a little piece, attach it to the desk or table that you're using, drag across the build platform, making sure you line up with the previous strip and there's no gaps or overlaps. You also want to make sure that there's no creases in any of your strips. Repeat this process until the entire build platform is covered. The next type of tape we'll be talking about today is high temperature polyester tape. We generally use high temperature polyester tape when printing with ABS as it yields good results in conjunction with the heated bed. The first step is you're going to want to apply a little bit of excess tape to the desk or table that you are using. And then drag across the tape across the build platform, except this time instead of using your hand, you're going to want to use either a squeegee, or if you don't have a squeegee, you can use a credit card. This process you have to have a little bit of patience for because you want to make sure there are no air bubbles or creases in the tape at all. And just like last time, you want to make sure that each strip of tape doesn't have any overlap or gaps. Okay, now you've applied all of the tape to the build platform. Now you can take a razor blade and run along the edge of the glass and remove all of the excess tape.
Alright guys, now your beds are all taped up and ready to go.
Tune in next time and we're going to talk about all the different types of adhesives you can use to get your prints going.
Thanks for watching
Spider 3D World!